Hey, it is Rick Rosendahl, Router Workshop, and we just launched the Router Workshop streaming series. And today I want to just give you a little bit of information about how to use the Router Workshop and how you can get through the videos that are there. There's 183 episodes, and each one of those episodes have like, I don't know, 3 to 5 different tips on how to use the router and to make joinery. I went ahead and did that Zoom meeting with Dominic, and what we did was we built a 1/4-inch spacer fence and did a 1/4-inch, she made the 1/4-inch spacer fence for my Zoom meeting, and we were able to watch the videos and help her go through, guide her through making rabbet dado joints and box joints, and she did very well. So I thought, what the heck, we can go ahead and show you, and today what I'm going to do is challenge you at the end here for a joint that we're going to show you right now. So this is episode 304, and this basic episode, you don't have to watch too much video because we're just going through the steps on how to make the joints. So anyways, let's go through the opening and see what it says.
To do now is change not only the height of the bit, we're going to go over here to this one, and we're going to do the 45, and we're going to do that run out here too. So we're going to have to get...
All right, there's the joint. We're doing the mitre on the top and then the rabbet to tie it together. So without further, let's continue watching the show and let Dad show you how to do this. Now this is going to be very quick because we cut it up, so we just have the information needed to show you how to make the joint. But inside the show, we go through the process in extensive, so let's watch it.
This in right about there. Now we'll start it. Too many routers in the way. Now, we can have a look there. I got a square shoulder in here. In it. I can't really lift that up any higher than that until we get it, but you'll see us when we put it together in the end here. But let me lower my hand. Isn't that kind of nice how that...
All right, there's the joint. And here's the challenge. Take a 1/4-inch bit, it's got a V-groove bit that's got a bit of a shoulder on it, like I'm showing you. The yellow piece is the V-groove bit for those of you that don't know what a V-groove bit is. But anyways, a V-groove bit with a shoulder on it. You're looking for a shoulder. You can't have it do the joint without that. And I'm using a 1/2-inch straight bit. What the challenge is take 3/8 thick material and learn how to do this joint without too much trouble. And essentially, if you start with some small pieces and are able to complete the joint, doing it with a big piece like we did on the show is not that hard to do. So without us going too much further into it, there we go. We got the V-groove bit, we got the 1/2-inch straight bit, we got the combination joint that's looking pretty cool. If you're able to do this on your projects, you are pretty good, that's for sure. So back to the talking head here. And anyways, that's a wrap for today. And if you want to learn how to use your router, watch the Router Workshop. Thank you. Bye.